how to do Abhivadyam, mean by salute. The salute or Abhivadyam that we are using wherever we are going to give the respect. If we are respecting our Guru or divine person, we are using this Abhivadya Kriya, this Abhivadya process, this salute process. In Tantric concept, Tantric way, saluting the holy person, the holy God, whoever may be, we need to be saluted. This is the process. Keep your finger on this ear.
Say the word Abhivadye. Ramesh Srilaga Sharma Nama Ahamasmiho.
Your imagination is, your hand is on the leg of a divine personality. How to do Attakam? In English, hold up hand. Keep your left hand and right hand like this, and keep your hand here on your thigh. Then say the mantra. Susarmasi Supratishtano Gurudoshe Nama Yeshadiyonu Visyapyasto Devapyo. This is process is called Attakam, hold up hand process.
Guru Vandanam. Salute the Guru. Sri Gurupyo Nama. Swasti Sivadi Sri Gurupyo Nama. Om Gung Gurupyo Nama. Om Gang Ganapade Nama. Om Paramatmane Nama. This is the Kriya Guru Vandanam. That means salute the Guru.
How to do Karasodana, that is hand purification. The meaning or concept of the Karasodana is, I am removing or destroying my human hand using the mantra, using this process, and being with the holy hand of the God, which I am going to perfect. Now I am doing Ganapati Karasodana process. First I am going to removing or destroying my human hand using Astra Mantra. Each Devata have Astra Mantra. That you can get the mantra from different texts, and here also in this book Tadravoli given some Astra Mantras of some Devatas. Now I am using Ganapati Astra Mantra. Using this Astra Mantra, I am destroying or removing my human hands. Om, this Astra Mantra of the Ganapati is Om Sri Vasubhumbar. Keep Om Sri Vasubhumbar, removing this part. 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 Om Sri Vasubhumbar, Om Sri Vasubhumbar. Then I am making this hand with my divine God. Here I am using Ganapati. So using the Mula Mantra of Ganapati for making this hand the divine. Om Gam Nama, 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 Om Gam Nama. This full process is called Karashodhana. I am doing once again. Karashodhana. Om Sri Basugumbat, 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 Om Gam Nama, 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 Om Gam Nama. Sometimes you have to do Karchodhana to the divine during the puja. Consider this is the hand of the God. Then do the Karchodhana. Om Sri Basugumbat, Om Sri Basugumbat, Om Sri Basugumbat, Om Sri Basugumbat, Om Gam Nama. The divine which I am going to fulfill. Now we are using Ganapati. Om Gam Nama, Om Gam Nama. Now I have done Karchodhana to the divine. Now, how to perform Yakshikiva? Mean by protect. Now I am going to worship my divine God. That mean by this environment having another unknown energies. Now I am doing a divine puja. These energies may interrupt my puja. So I need to be protect myself from these energies. The Yakshikiva, that means protect, maybe do to me and also to do the God. First I am showing how to do Yakshikiva process to me. It is having 3 steps. One step is Talatrayadi. Talatrayadi. Second one is Dikbandhan. Dikbandhan. Third is Agni Pragara. Agni Pragara. 3 processes having Yakshikiva, protect. This process doing to me and to the God also. Sometimes this Kriya is using Nivedya. That will be discussed on the process of puja. Now I am doing Yakshikiva. Now I am doing protect to me. The Astra Mantra of Devada is using this process. Different Devada having different Astra Mantra. That mantra you can available in different texts. Now I am doing Yakshikiva Kriya for Ganapati. Astra Mantra of Ganapati is Om Sri Basugumbat. Now I am doing Talatrayadi process. Already said 3 process: Talatrayadi, Dikbandhana, Agni Pragara. Now I am doing Talatrayadi process. I have to protect in front of my navel using Astra Mantra like that. Om Sri Basugumbat. Then heart, Om Sri Basugumbat. Then to forehead, Om Sri Basugumbat. This is called Talatrayadi. This is called Talatrayadi. Showing again Talatrayadi. Om Sri Basugumbat. Om Sri Basugumbat. Om Sri Basugumbat. Next process is Dikbandhan. Dik mean by pole of the earth. Here in tantric terms, we are using 10 pole of the earth. One front of me, one here, one here, one here, one back, middle, one here, one here, one here. Total 8. One here top, one here down. Total 10. Total 10 pole is here. That area needs to be protected using the Astra Mantra of Devata. Keep your finger like this. Om Sri Pasibumbat. 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 I told Talaprayadi Digbandhana. The third process is Agni Praga. Protecting my top of the head, top of the environment of the top of the head. Using like that. Keep the figure like that. Om Sri Pasibumbat. Om Sri Pasibumbat. Om Sri Pasibumbat. Talatrayadi, Digbandhana, and Agni Praga. These three processes called Rekshikula. I am showing again. Om Sri Pasibumbat, 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 Om Sri Pasibumbat. This is called Rekshikula. Protect to me. If I am doing this Rekshikula to the divine, same process, but the direction is different. Now my divine is here. Now I am giving the product to this divine. Om Sri Pasibumbat, 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 Om Sri Pasibumbat. This is the process of Rekshikula. This is the process of protect. To me, say protect to the divine. This process may be used in everywhere. If you are doing Nivedya Priya Rekshikula, it's also like that. Om Sri Pasibumbat, like that. Everywhere you can use it. Same. Now I am going to show pervade, mean by Vyabhagam. Pervade mean by transform our body to the divine body. Transform our body to the divine body. For this, we are using Mula Mantra of Devata, which we are going to worship. Now I am doing Ganapati Mula Mantra, mean by now my body is going to be transformed to the Ganapati. Ganapati Mula Mantra is Om Gam Nama. Keep hand like this on top of the head. Om Gam Nama. Once again, Om Gam Nama. Once again, Om Gam Nama. From head to toe, we are doing this process, mean by my body is now transformed to the divine of the Lord. Same process we are using during the puja. This forward is using during the puja. Here my divine is here. Now I am doing the forward to my divine. That means by this divine now not having body concept. After this Vyabhagam, this divine getting the body concept. Now my divine is Ganapati here. I am doing forward. Om Gam Nama. Om Gam Nama. Om Gam Nama. Now I showed the forward, that is Vyabhagam to me. I showed forward Vyabhagam to the divine. Now I am going to show Anganyasam. In English means placement of body part. That's mean by through the Vyabhagam I transform my body to the divine. Now through the Anganyasam or through placement of body part I am placing heart, head, like parts of the body. For this process, we are using Anganyasa mantra. Different Devata having different Anganyasa mantras. Now we are doing Anganyasa mantra of the Ganapati. By Vyabhagam, forbidden. Already we done body of the God. On this body of the God, we are placing the parts using Anganyasa mantra. Keep hand like this. Using the Hridaya mantra, Om Gam Hridaya Nam. I created heart. Om Gim Shirase Swaha. I created forehead. I grew Sigai Vasha. I created head. I gained Kavajayam. I created shoulders and hands. Om Gai Netratrayaya Vaushan. I created netras. I created eyes for my divine. Here I am using 3 fingers. That means by my divine have 3 eyes. Sometimes we are using 2 fingers. That means by that God having only
2 eyes.
Om Ga Astraya third. I created the all other part of the body. Now I have done Anganyasa. Body part to me. Sometimes during the puja we have to Anganyasa to the divine. That means by we are giving the body part to the divine. Same process, but the direction is different. For me, direction is towards me. To the divine, direction is towards the God. Now I am doing Anganyasa to the my divine. Om God Kriya Nama. Om Gi Sirase Soha. Om Gu Sivaya Vata. Om Gai Kavajaya Hu. Om Gau Netatraya Vata. Om Ga Astraya Had. Now we can do Manasa Puja, means mental worship. Mental worship means by we are giving different holy materials to our divine using mudras. Now, Manasa Mudra need to be do to me, but also sometimes to the divine. Now I am doing mental worship to me. This is Jala Mudra. Vam Apatmana Jalam Katpayami. That means by I given most purified water to my divine. This is Gandha Mudra. Lam Pratyatmana Gandham Kalpyami, to nose. I given most divine food
order.
to the God. This is Pushpa Mudra. हम आकाशत्मना पुष्पम कल्पयामि. I given most purified and divine flower to my God. हम आकाशत्मना पुष्पम कल्पयामि. Dhruva Mudra. This is Dhruva Mudra. To my knower. Yam Vayuatmana Dhubam Kalpayami. This is Diva Mudra. Ram Agnyatmana Divam Kalpayami. This is Nivedya Mudra. From Amrutatmana Naivedyam Kalpayami. This is Surabhi Mudra. Holding the Surabhi. Already explained in Kadal Mudevu. Surabhi Mudra. Towards me. From Amrude, Amrudanande, Amrudavatpave, Amrudavatchani, Amrudam Sravaya Sravaya. How to hold Surabhi Mudra? This is called Surabhi Mudra. Showing once again. Same process of mental worship once again. Ham avatmana jarangatyam, lam bhaktiyatmana gandhangatyam, ham avasatmana pushpangatyam, yam vayatmana gurugatyam, lam aknyatmana deevangatyam, tham amrudatmana daividyangatyam, tham amrude, amrudahani, amrudavapave, amrudavashtani, amrudam sravaya sravaya. This mental worship we can do to the divine also. हम अवात्मना जलंगत्यामि, लम भक्त्यात्मना गंधंगत्यामि, हम आवासत्मना पुष्पंगत्यामि, यम वायुत्मना धुरंगत्यामि, लम अग्न्यात्मना दीपंगत्यामि, थम अमृतात्मना नैवेद्यंगत्यामि, थम अमृते अमृतानि अमृतोपवे अमृतवक्षणि अमृतं सावय सावय. Doing mental worship to me, direction is towards, direction towards me. doing mental worship to the divine, hand directly towards the divine. This is the mental worship. This we can do if we are going to the temple also. Just now I am on the temple. I saw the idol. I can do this mental worship here. Here is the temple. I am seeing the idol. Same process. Mental worship we can do. Om Avat Banavajaram Bhaktyam, Yam Bhaktyat Banavajaram Bhaktyam, Kam Avasat Banavajaram, Yam Vayat Banavajaram Bhaktyam, Yam Bhaktyat Banavajaram Bhaktyam, Tam Amarat Banavajaram Bhaktyam, Tam Amri Amrani Amruri Amruri. This is doing during the temple. If I am not going to the temple, I am on the home, I am somewhere else. I need to be give the mental worship to my divine. At anywhere, any time. Now I am going to do my mental worship to my divine. Imagine my divine and do the process. Bhammavatmana Janangatyami, Lam Bhutyatmana Janangatyami, Kam Avasatmana Pushpangatyami, Yam Vayatmana Bhuvangatyami, Yam Apyatmana Dhivangatyami, Tam Amaratmana Devigatyami, Tam Amri Amalati 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 Amalati. This is the important of mental worship. We can do this process at any time, anywhere, to my divine, to me also. Now I am showing whole ablution picture. Abhivadam. Abhivade Remesha Sharma Nama Agamasdigo. Susarmasi Supradishtana Durvadochema Yeshadyo Isyaptyo Om Sri Gurutyo Nama Om Swasti Sivai Sri Gurutyo Nama Om Gun Gurutyo Nama Om Gan Ganapati Nama Om Bam Paramatmane Nama Om Sri Vasudumbat 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 Om Gam Nama Om Gam Nama Om Gam Nama Om Gam Nama Om Sri Vasudumbat 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 Om Sri Vasudumbat. Gam Yanama, Om Di Silva, Om Di Oivato, Om Di Oivato, Om Oivato, Om Gam Utrayayo, Om Utra Jana Padashi, Nijarai Santa, Simha Gravati. Yes, we cover us to that. We go to the go to passages and